Next is dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross is what? A cross between two pure line parents differing in two pair of contrasting character is called dihybrid cross. Let me take the example. Let the cross takes place between the tall and yellow seeded plant with a dwarf and green seeded plant. Tall is a dominant character and yellow seed is a dominant character. Dwarf is the recessive character and green color seed is the recessive character. So one parent is what? It is the dominant and another is the recessive. So parents are what? Tall and yellow seeded plant and the dwarf and green seeded plant. So their genotypes are what? Capital T, capital T, capital Y means both the dominant alleles we have to write together. Clear this thing? How many characters will be there? तो हम सबको एक साथ लिखेंगे. Here dwarf and green seeded plant में small t, small y. Gametes. Next is what? It is the gametes. Gametes में you will see that one gamete only will form because it is homozygous. But it will contain the two different allele for two different characters, means one for tallness and one for yellow seed. Similarly here one small t and small y. So F1 generation will what? Cross pollination हम करवाएंगे and what we will get in the F1 generation? We get the all the plants are tall and yellow seeded. Yeah, tall plants means capital T, small t, and yellow seeded are capital Y and small y. Then what they have done, they do the selfing. Selfing is what? Inbreeding. Same plants के अंदर breeding कराना. Capital T, small t, capital Y, small y, capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. Two parents are there. Now see this here. You will see four different alleles are there. Here also four different alleles are present. So four combinations will form here. Combinations कैसे जाएंगे? Capital T, small t एक साथ नहीं जाएंगे. कैसे जाएंगे? The two characters, allele for the two characters will go together. Means one is capital Y, capital T and capital Y. Second is capital T, small y. One is small t, capital Y. One is small t, small y. Similarly, here also same four types of gametes are formed. And now we have to show the F2 generation with the checkerboard. Four gametes, capital T, capital Y, capital T, small y, capital small t, capital Y, small t, small y. Same here. And combinations will, this will cross with, combine with this also, this also, this also and this also. So we will get the 16 combinations here. Understood this thing? And four combinations, total four combinations are there. That is the tall and yellow seed, tall and green seed, dwarf and yellow seeded plant, dwarf and green seeded plant. So when we see this, we will see that tall and yellow seeds कितने होंगे? Means उसमें क्या होगा? Tall and yellow seeds में capital T and capital Y होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 are the tall and yellow seeded plants. Tall and green seeded plant means T, capital T होना चाहिए and small y होना चाहिए. Small y तो दोनों small y होंगे तभी green color आएगा. So you will see here capital T and small y. 1, 2, 3. So tall and green कितना हो गया? 3. Then comes the dwarf and yellow seed. Dwarf means small t and capital Y. Small t and capital Y. You will see here 1, 2 and this is 3. So small dwarf and yellow seeded plant कितने हुए? 3. And the last is what? Completely recessive character plant. That is the small t, small y, small y. So the phenotypic ratio is what? It is the 9:3:3:1. Understood this thing? In the dihybrid cross, the ratio is what? 9:3:3:1. Understood this? This is known as the dihybrid phenotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio is also there, but that is the bifurcation of it. 9:3:3:1. one that we will discuss in the class. Understood? This is known as the dihybrid cross.